Hello there, my name is Ollie from Fans. Today I have for you the 2024 Nissan Interstar. Now this here is a rather large vehicle indeed. It does come to you with 5 doors in a lovely glossy white. Now this does come to you with 3 cloth leather seats upon the interior, as well as cruise control and also air conditioning in here. And this does also come with parking sensors on the dashboard. And as you can see, it is rather spacious in the cab at the front. And if we do just open the load area at the back, a massive door to get any load in you'd like. You can see it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargo stuff about to tie down any load you may want to carry, as well as a small bit of additional space above the cab itself. You may also note this does have a clean, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for like loads. Now if you would like to find out more about this Nissan Interstar, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk. If you're watching this on YouTube, that will be in the description of this video, and you can also come to our site in Padworth just outside of Redden to discover this and many more of our vehicles.